Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Wow, we've never seen one of these on our channel before, so let's take a look at a 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer Light Duty, model number 24 MLDS. So let's get started. The length on this Roamer is 29 feet, 3 inches. The dry weight is 7,975 with a hitch weight of 1,495 with a GVWR of 9,500 pounds.
So guys, if you are looking for a smaller fifth wheel to get into some of those national parks, this is going to be a good one to come look at. I do want to apologize right off the bat. We're having to charge our mics, so we're going to try to make this one work without any external mics. But right up here is going to be your storage, and of course you've got batteries that'll go over here on the side. This is going to have 4-point stabilizing on it. Propane tank right there.
Oh wow.
Nice size pass through here. There's where your front landing legs button is.
Yeah, sorry about the wind noise because it's going to be bad.
It is very windy out here.
Tankless water heater.
And it is white so that it does blend in very well. You do have a dump area with a pool right down there. And in case this doesn't pick up very well, this Roamer is actually, it is white, and it does have stripes that are in a little bit of grayish with a little gold and a neat little horse emblem right there. So you do have another dump area down here. Looking at the back, it is going to be prepped for a backup camera and for a Lippert ladder. You are going to have towing down here. So this should be, yes, up to 3,000 pounds. Our famous warning, just be careful if you choose to tow. Coming around here on your campsite, your power awning is going to be 16 feet. It does have an LED light strip under it.
All right.
Yeah, really neat storage right back here at the back. And they give you a plug-in. I don't know if that's tall enough to put a little mini fridge in, but it might be if you get one of those really small ones.
Yeah.
Of course, here's your leveling legs back here at the back. So this isn't electronic stabling. It's going to have power jacks down here. Okay, looking here on your campsite, let's go up and look at this front storage real quick.
Oh yeah.
So yes, the other side of it. Here's your solar controllers. You do have power out here. And your other propane tank is going to be right there.
All right.
So, yeah, this is a Roamer, so this is going to be their little bit lighter weight.
And I got you out here on a cold day.
It is. Normally we complain about it being hot. Today I can't feel my face, so. All right,
I can't feel my face when I'm with you.
I don't think that's a good song. But anyway, all right, we're going to take a quick look around here. As you can see, this is going to be a rear kitchen model. And so
now,
start at the rear.
Correct me if I'm wrong, Highland Ridge is with...
Their parent company is going to be Jayco. So,
yeah.
So if the cabinetry in here looks a little familiar, that's why.
And I take it this is something new that Triple H is getting in now.
I don't remember seeing these here before.
Oh.
But yeah, storage up above your microwave. Now, as you can tell by the way this slopes, it's not a full profile, so this is going to be a smaller mid-pro. But you have got some great
that is some
space back
great cabinets right there.
It really is. We do have the shades pulled because the sun is coming in at a really weird angle, but this is actually a nice size window here at the back. And this one does not open, but the one on this side does and has a screen. So right here, this is going to be above that little storage area on the outside. So you've got these two pull-out drawers. right underneath your sink.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you have a nice shelf on one side, and then you have this open space. Plenty of room for your garbage can right there. You are going to have the 3-burner cooktop with the oven. And this is a really, really big drawer down here. So you could get all your pots and pans in there, or like us, you're 50 pounds of dog.
Yeah. Talk about my poor little Rosie.
Yeah. So
Right.
they are going to give you this compressor fridge here, 12-volt fridge. And down at the bottom of it is another drawer. It's nice. I actually like that they give you all these drawers. So while we're pointed in this area, I'll just go ahead, and this is going to be your one slide in here. So they do give you this nice size sofa, love seat, that is going to make into a sleeping area. You do have a nice window back here with the pleated shades. And here, both of those are going to open, but they're not going to waste any space. So you have a couple of little cubbies right back here. That would actually be great to put your phones while you're charging it, because there's your electrical outlet. Okay, now when you turn around, I'm going to take a seat here. You know, actually their TV is not mounted as high as some of them are with this floor plan.
Yeah.
So this looks like a 40.
Well, let's see if you got it today.
42. 40.
40.
All right. It's cold. I'm not completely frozen yet. Yeah, great storage on both sides. Coming down, this is going to be right above your dinette. Another nice window there that's going to open. You can make this into some additional sleeping. I don't know. I've seen people say that they can't always get their cushions to line up right.
Yeah.
So I think this is why this is definitely going to be for kids. Maybe not your favorite adult.
Well, you can end up sleeping a good many people in here, because
Yes, because this is going to make about
this is going to make it too.
yeah, about a full-size bed. So
Yeah.
yeah, so it'll work great. All right, and behind this door,
Oh, wow.
yeah, you have this really nice pantry area that's got a light. And you see that this shelving. Now these are not adjustable, but they do go all the way down to the floor. And then over here you have this coffee bar area. And because the parent company is Jayco, there is no vents in the floor. They're in the cabinetry. As you can see, there's our mics that we did not charge, or something happened. So we're charging those. We will get those up and going soon. And I don't think I showed up here before you closed that.
Oh, did you not?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, so you got great storage up there, and there's actually a little space on top of it. Not sure that you would ever want to use it, but it's out there.
Yeah. Yeah, you could actually do some decorating.
You could, if you have some little knickknacks and things, or like what we call ours dust catchers. This is going to have whisper quiet air down here. So super, super nice. Really nice light package in here. So let's go up the stairs.
And the stereo system. Speakers are in the ceiling.
Yes.
And it's right there. You got your tanks, slides, awning. Yeah, light
Here.
switches.
Very nice and convenient. And in case you want to know, your fuses are right down there. Yes, I'm wearing gloves because
She's freezing.
it's below 60 degrees, therefore I am cold. All right, the shower, we have determined that this is a
30 by 36.
yes. And I guess that's an actual skylight.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. It's got a little yellow tint to it. But now Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so you see he's got plenty of headroom in there. And you like the sliding retractable door. Have a couple of hooks over here for towels and robes. Oh, tissue holder, found it. You are going to have a porcelain foot flush toilet.
Yes.
And actually, look, really good leg space
nice.
down here. So this has got a mirrored medicine cabinet. Really good sink area here. I mean, this is going to be a smaller fifth wheel, so the fact that it gives you all of this storage under here is pretty amazing.
And your heating vent is down there.
On there.
All
And
right.
you've got a couple of open spaces right here that you can put your shampoo or something like that. Now,
Ooh.
this is going to get the golden plunger. Now this area is actually going to be shared with the bedroom, so we'll show you that from the other side. But this does give you a great space for your towels and linens.
Yes. That's really cool.
It is really well done. Okay, moving here into the bedroom. As you can see, this is going to have a north-south queen bed. You've got really great size nightstands on both sides. Really impressed with those. And as you can see, there's going to be storage there.
And you can...
Yes, and an adjustable shelf or removable shelf. Open shelving up here across the top. Now this unit is equipped with a second AC. So it's going to be just a regular AC, not the whisper quiet up at the top. In case I didn't point this out, you do have electric and USB-C charging. Really nice storage space under here. And even though this one is a mid-pro, you actually do not have a step until you get up to your nightstand.
That's why I can stand all the way.
Yeah, Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so
Yeah.
for this to be a smaller unit, this one is extremely well done. I have got something stuck to my glove. What is that? Get it off. All right. You have got a wardrobe slide in the bedroom. So it's going to give you some great hanging space right there. Is that mirrored? Those doors are mirrored.
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, mirrored doors there. And then you have got a window here that's going to open. And I think our chargers are beeping in there. So 2 great drawers right there. Super, super nice. But we're not finished yet. And I may have to hand this to him so you can see into
Let you see that.
Yeah, 2 big, big drawers. And then, of course, this was the shared space from the bathroom. So it does have hanging. And, of course, this can be taken out if you need to utilize all of that space. See, utilize, that's my big word for me. Let me turn around really quick and show you this other window over here because I don't think I pointed that one out. And let me get up here. If you want to bring your TV in here, it will mount right up there, so it'll be at the foot of the bed. Absolutely perfect viewing angle.
This is a nice walk around room.
It is. This is actually, you do have really good space in here. You can get around the bed, get that made up. We just came off of our final camping trip for this particular year. Oh, look, you got shoe storage down there. And so we have tried to pull the sheets and stuff off of ours to get ready for spring, and we don't have a lot of walk around space. So this was perfect.
All right, everybody, if you like these little open range roamers, light duty fifth wheels, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.